Hi, today's restoration is a re-upload of this Elora socket set. I did do this in a compilation to start with, but I feel it deserves its own video now. Plus, I'm doing other things. I can't always be restoring 24/7. Enjoy. There's not too much rust inside the box. There's not even too much rust on the bars. They are quite good. So we'll get started now on the outside of this box because it needs stripping right back to bare metal. This is such a satisfying process the way this comes off. I've left this at 2 minutes, this entire box stripping, because it does come off relatively easy and you can see the actual transformation happening. If you want to skip this, go forward about 2 minutes. Okay, so this socket case got 7 or 8 very loops. This is probably about the 6th. I like it to be finished and I've done a job. Over now to getting all the gunk and horrible stuff off of the lining of the case. I'm going to use Goop hand cleanser. Whoops, never mind. Look, that's self-emptying for you. Right, that's about the right amount there. What you want is one good splash to clean something this size. Another coat of blue just in all the awkward places on the face, around the lips where I might have missed with the first 7 or 8 coats. So, a quick reminder of how it started. The other tools on the desk there, the pipe wrenches and the pliers, are in the original video. I'll put a link at the end if you want to see them restored as well. The pliers are Utica. I think there's an Elora pipe wrench and a record.